This is Bob Davis 321, back with my homemade CNC machine. This time I have a T-slotted frame and continuously supported rails. And I'm running with an Arduino, and I finally got my CNC Projects G-code corrected, except for hopefully one error on the final S. We'll find out if that works correctly now. One of the problems with using continuously supported rails and these motor mounts is I had to actually file the bottoms of those nuts to get that motor mount in closer to the rail to try to line it up with the continuously supported rails. Of course, also I had to use very small spacers between the platforms and the lead screw. I've also got end stops at both ends of the x-axis, top of the z-axis, and both ends of the y-axis. Got the zero set so that when it homes to the y of 0 and x of 0 by setting, I think it's like 20 or 21 to 6 on the Gerbil command. My platform isn't quite flat. As you can see, the writing on the right is darker than the writing on the left. And now for the moment of truth. If I fix my code for the S, where it bombs out on the test, it does the bottom part of the S and then says sorry, and it's still not fixed. Oh well. So there you have my T-slot base CNC machine using mostly 2020 and some 2040. The bottom pieces are 2040. I started with 2020, but it wasn't solid enough. That's all for now.